AI kissing video generator 2-photo AI kissing video tutorial. If you want to create a kissing video, AI video, right? Just bear in mind that this video is only for educational purposes only. Now, the usual way to do this is we have a very popular app on either Android or iPhone, that is Remini. So you want to download the Remini AI application. Bear in mind that it has the free version, but of course you will have to deal with some of the ads on the free version, and if you want to purchase their premium plan, you can do that as well. So here under Remini, you simply have to scroll down and look for one of the section over here. So just keep on scrolling down until you find different type of options, and you want to go to this one that says Magic Kiss. Now what we will do is we will simply select a certain format. It will ask us to select person 1 and person 2. So I'll select person 1 and I'll select person 2. The reason I'm doing this is I'm just choosing a cartoonish image just for the reference of this video, and I want to tap the continue button. After that, you can see it'll ask me to do a couple of stuff like this, but I'll just go ahead and then cross this out because this is not really what I want to do. And because this is a free version, as I said, you might have to deal with the ad, but after the ad is complete, your video will be made successfully and you can choose to download that video if you'd like. This way you will be able to make an AI kissing video generator. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.